Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WsCube Tech English channel. So this is the first video of our new course, the YouTube complete course, and this course is specially to make you zero to hero of YouTube, right? We are aiming at the beginners who haven't started on the YouTube or the person who has recently started a channel, right? This course is especially for those who are a beginner on YouTube, right? So in this course, as I have talked already, that we are going to discuss all the things about YouTube, from creation of the account, of the content creation and monetization, and all the things we are going to talk about in this video. This is going to be a complete series, right? So I request you to watch this series, this course till the end. Just be with us, and for that you have to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss a video, right? In this particular video we are going to talk about YouTube, that what is YouTube, and we'll talk about some important stats of YouTube. Other than that, I'll talk about that why you should start your YouTube account or why you should choose YouTube as a marketing platform, right? So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about YouTube, that what is YouTube. Basically, YouTube is a search engine, right? Like any other search engine, like Google or Yahoo, any other search engine. It is a search engine. But whenever we search on Google, we get the information in the form of images, in the form of websites or the text or all the things. But in YouTube, whenever you search out something, you get the information, you get the search results in form of videos, right? So this is the only difference between Google or YouTube, we can say. And YouTube is a wonderful platform because right now in 2021 majorly users of internet are be found on YouTube, right? So you can just target your audience or create amazing content for them. Now let's see some stats, right, in 2021, that how YouTube is doing worldwide, right? So first of all, let's talk about that it's active users. So right now approximately 2.3 billion, more than 2.3 billion users are there worldwide, right? Like this is a huge amount, and most of the YouTube users are from India. So that's the plus point we have. If you want to make your content in Hindi or in your local language, you can achieve this because India has the most YouTube users, right? Approximately 10% users of YouTube are from India. So the another thing is that out of total internet users, almost 79% of the users uses YouTube, or we can say they have their own YouTube account, right? And other than that, YouTube is localized in more than 100 countries and it is still growing, right? And it is available in 80 languages and Hindi is one of them, right? So you can just use it in India or as well as to market your channel or market your business worldwide, right? Other than that, you can say that out of all the businesses on the internet, 62% businesses use YouTube as channel to post video content, right? When majorly we can say a major portion of businesses YouTube, so you can also take advantage of that if you have a business like that. Other than that, the 70% of YouTube watch time comes from the mobile devices. So we can say that mobile is user friendly, right? We can say in compared to system or the web, right? So people just use YouTube from their mobile devices. So you can just target your particular audience, right? Other than that, you can say that 90% of people, they say that they find this brand from the YouTube, right? 90% people, okay, they say that we have found this particular brand, particular product on YouTube, or we have learned it about it from the YouTube, right? So you can just promote your brand or promote your product in that. Other than that, we talk about the data, then every day approximately 7,20,000 hours of video. This is just an approx number and it is growing day by day. So every day 7,22,000 hours of video uploaded on YouTube, right? This is approximately 500 hours a minute. By the time you will finish this video, thousands of hours video has been uploaded on the YouTube, right? And other than that, this is the second most visited website, and which is the first is the Google, right? So other than Google, this is the second most visited website, and it is also the world's second most used social platform, which is the first Facebook. Facebook is the most used social platform, but other than that, second is that YouTube, right? And there are so many things you can do on YouTube. You can create your content related to the education. Right now, when the lockdown happens, as you have seen that the most of the schools, most of the coaching centers are on YouTube. They are creating the content and connecting with the students worldwide, right? And as you can see, this is a huge data, right? And you can take advantage of that. So start right now. Other than that, I'll talk about that what types of users are there on YouTube. As you might know, there are two types of user. One is the viewers, the one who watch your content, the one who view your content, right? We call them viewers. The purpose of viewing videos on YouTube could be anything: entertainment, knowledge, education, anything could be the purpose of our viewer, right? So there are viewers, and I have talked about there are approximately 2.3 billion, more than that, viewers are there on YouTube. Other than that, we have the creators. Creators are basically who create the content, who create the video for the YouTube and they upload it, right? So this course which we have started today, the complete YouTube course Zero to Hero, is for the creators, right? So definitely we are creator. You could be a future creator, right? So viewer and creators are there. Now comes the most important question, that why you should start creating content for YouTube, or we can say why you should be a YouTuber, right? Whenever we say that this person is a YouTuber, we are basically saying that he's a content creator, right? So basically I want to say that why you should be a content creator for YouTube, or why you should start making videos for the YouTube, right? So first of all, to get popular, either your purpose to be the popular. Definitely when you upload a video on the YouTube, it gets popular, people get to know you, right? Hence you can say you get popular. So people know you, people try to recognize your face, people learn from your knowledge, people learn from your videos, hence you get popular in positive way, right? Other than that, purpose could be to earn money, right? There are many techniques from which you can earn money on YouTube, right? We'll talk about it in our later videos when I'll talk about monetization or how to earn money. There's a separate video coming up. But to earn money, it could be a great source of earning money, right? The another thing could be you can promote your business, right? Or you can promote the business of your client, right? So you can just promote your business, be it the affiliate marketing, or you deal in the retail, or you can, I have seen so many people who are coming on YouTube just to sell their product, sell their retail product. Either you can make the videos that will help you to promote your business. Other than that, there's one another thing. If you think that I don't want to get popular, I don't want money, I don't want to promote my business, but this is the thing that will help you. Whenever you create the content for YouTube, right, you speak, you deliver the content, and it boosts your confidence, right? So this could be your reason. This is the thing you will get whenever you will make the content for the YouTube. It will boost your confidence, right? So these are some reasons. You can have your own reason to start the YouTube. Other than that, WsCube Tech is with you. I'm with you. We are going to help you in every aspect of creating YouTube channel to taking it into the new heights. Because as we have promised, this course is to make you zero to hero of the YouTube. And when we talk about hero, we are talking about the millions of subscribers, right? If you follow these series till the end, it will definitely gonna help you in achieving that target, right? So I hope right now you'll start up. In our later videos, we'll talk about that, how you can create an account, how could you select your niche, right? So don't forget to watch that video. You can just subscribe your channel. And if this video was useful for you, please hit the like button. And if there's any suggestion, or if you are excited about this course, comment down and express your views. Okay, thank you so much.